Welcome to Best Choice. The best because toothpaste is probably one of the most exciting oral hygiene products I've come across in a while. Today, we're diving deep into what makes this toothpaste stand out from the crowd. We'll explore its unique ingredients, the science behind its effectiveness, and, of course, whether it lives up to the hype. Get ready to discover if Because Toothpaste is the perfect addition to your daily routine and if it's worth the switch. Number 5. LIVFRESH Toothpaste Gel, clinically proven. Introducing LIVFRESH, the toothpaste gel clinically proven to remove plaque. It works 250% better and improves gum health significantly. This product is designed to give you a healthier mouth. LIVFRESH not only removes plaque but also improves gum health by 190%. It also prevents and reduces tartar buildup. Using this product can lead to a healthier and cleaner mouth. This product's effectiveness is supported by 26 research studies and over 40 patents. Developed by PhDs and scientists, its formula is based on 10 years of research. You can trust the science behind it. The proprietary formula breaks the bond between plaque and teeth. It provides a deep, long-lasting clean, even in hard-to-reach areas. This helps keep your teeth clean and healthy. Thousands of dental professionals recommend LIVFRESH to their patients. It's supported by clinical professors from top institutions. Many people trust this product for their oral health. LIVFRESH is made in America with 100% edible ingredients. It's SLS-free and contains zero abrasives, sulfates, phthalates, and parabens. It is also free of triclosan, gluten, and sugar, making it safe for everyone. What we like? LIVFRESH is clinically proven to remove plaque and improve gum health. It's formulated with 100% edible ingredients and is safe for all ages. If you are looking for a toothpaste that offers comprehensive oral care and helps prevent expensive dental procedures, you should consider this. What people say. It removes calcium deposits on the teeth very well. It takes time for constant use, but the result is great. My mouth has stopped peeling, my breath is fresher and my teeth are whiter. My teeth are already much whiter and my gums are bleeding less and it's only been a week. Heck, my teeth were whiter after just the first brushing. I was gobsmacked in the best way. And yes, I bought it with my own money. This is not a review of free product, lol. That's the stuff faded after the very first brushing for me, and a week later my teeth are so much whiter already, and even my daughter noticed. The first couple of nights after I rinsed, I noticed little pieces of gunk being rinsed off my teeth, like flakes or grit. I can literally hear my toothbrush squeaking against my teeth now. They're so clean with this stuff. That same toothbrush was not doing that with regular toothpaste no matter how many times I brushed. Neither one of them are too intense tasting, but the mild is really mild and is totally clear, while peppermint has a blue tint to the gel and a bit more flavoring. It cleans just as well and I prefer the milder flavor. It's a really smooth gel but a little goes a long way. You really do need only a pea-size amount, so even though it's pricey, it will last a good while. I truly cannot recommend this stuff enough. I feel like it's almost as good as a cleaning appointment but without actually going to the dentist. Number 4. Designs for Health Periobiotic Toothpaste. This toothpaste is specially formulated for sensitive teeth. It uses a unique combination of ingredients to support enamel strength and overall oral health. It also helps to promote a brighter smile. The toothpaste features hydroxyapatite and hydrated silica. These ingredients work together to promote natural remineralization, which can lead to a brighter smile. Incorporating it into your routine can help promote healthy tooth enamel. This toothpaste contains probiotics to support a balanced oral microbiome. It also includes purified silver for oral wellness and CoQ10 to promote healthy gums. Using it can contribute to a healthier mouth. It uses cocoa betaine sourced from coconuts instead of traditional sulfates. This provides a gentle foaming action without the harshness of sulfates. You get a non-gritty, effective clean. Designs for Health is the #1 practitioner supplement brand. It's recommended and trusted by functional medicine professionals. You can rely on it for quality oral care. What we like? Designs for Health Periobiotic features hydroxyapatite for remineralization and a brighter smile. It also supports oral microbiome balance with probiotics. If you have sensitive teeth and want to support your gum health while whitening, you should consider this. What people say. Not only do my teeth feel noticeably cleaner and smoother, but after using it on my 4-year-old for just 2 weeks, I'm already seeing improvement in a small cavity he had. The taste is very mild, which is saying a lot because my kids are extremely picky about toothpaste flavors. It foams up nice when brushing your teeth. Leaves my breath smelling fresh. Number 3. Made by Dentists Enamel Rebuilding Toothpaste, 2-pack. This toothpaste combines nano-hydroxyapatite and fluoride to strengthen your teeth. It helps to remineralize and protect against cavities, promoting a healthier smile. Everyday eating and drinking can weaken your enamel. This toothpaste penetrates deep into your teeth to restore lost minerals. It supports strong, cavity-resistant enamel from within. This toothpaste is formulated with potassium nitrate to relieve sensitivity. It blocks pathways to nerves while strengthening enamel to prevent future discomfort. Made by Dentists is recognized by the American Dental Association. This toothpaste is safe and effective for whitening and sensitivity protection. It also contains fluoride to help prevent cavities. This natural toothpaste is crafted by dentists with enamel-safe ingredients. It's packaged in 100% recyclable materials. It supports both oral health and the planet. What we like. Made by Dentists toothpaste combines hydroxyapatite and fluoride to rebuild enamel. It's ADA approved and comes in eco-friendly packaging. If you like a toothpaste that strengthens your teeth and is also environmentally conscious, you should consider this. What people say. Because toothpaste effectively whitens teeth. Because toothpaste has a pleasant taste. Because toothpaste leaves the mouth feeling fresh. Number 2. Tom's of Maine Fluoride-Free Whitening Toothpaste. This is a 2-pack of Tom's of Maine toothpaste. It's a natural choice for your oral hygiene. You'll get 2 tubes to keep your smile bright. This toothpaste is fluoride-free and features an anti-plaque formula. It helps to fight tartar buildup, keeping your teeth clean and healthy. It's a great choice for those seeking a fluoride-free option. The natural formula helps to whiten your teeth. It works to remove surface stains, revealing a brighter and whiter smile. Use it daily for best results. The tube is designed to be recyclable. Look for the blue recycling flag on the packaging. Remember to squeeze out as much as you can before recycling. This toothpaste is made with natural ingredients. It contains no artificial sweeteners, preservatives, colors, or flavors. Plus, it's not tested on animals, so you can feel good about using it. Enjoy the refreshing peppermint flavor. It leaves your mouth feeling clean and invigorated. It's a pleasant way to start and end your day. What we like. Tom's of Maine Fluoride-Free Anti-Plaque and Whitening Toothpaste helps fight tartar and whitens teeth naturally. It contains no artificial ingredients and is not tested on animals. If you are looking for a natural, fluoride-free option that whitens, you should consider this. What people say. Because toothpaste is the best toothpaste I have ever used. It leaves my mouth feeling fresh and clean. The flavor is great. Number 1. Tom's of Maine Luminous White Toothpaste, Clean Mint 3-pack. This is Tom's of Maine Luminous White Toothpaste. It comes in a pack of 3. This toothpaste will help you achieve a brighter smile. This toothpaste is clinically proven to whiten teeth. It effectively removes surface stains, revealing a more radiant smile. You'll notice the difference. The fluoride in this toothpaste strengthens your enamel. It also provides essential cavity protection. Use it daily for optimal oral health. Look for the blue recycling flag on the tube. Remember to squeeze out all the toothpaste. Then, replace the cap and recycle the tube. This toothpaste contains no artificial preservatives, colors, or flavors. It is also not tested on animals. Choose a natural way to care for your teeth. What we like. Tom's of Maine Luminous White Toothpaste is clinically proven to whiten teeth while providing cavity protection. It is made with natural ingredients and comes in a recyclable tube. If you like a toothpaste that whitens and protects your teeth with a natural formula, you should consider this. What people say. Because toothpaste effectively whitens teeth. Because toothpaste has a pleasant taste. Because toothpaste leaves the mouth feeling fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.